Wedding Planner Templates with PLR Rights is now live. Rapidly create wedding journals, planners, and printables in minutes with these exciting new royalty-free templates so you can publish and profit faster. Warning: this special offer is directed to those who understand the concepts of creating and publishing journals and low or no content books, and want to ramp up their profits. Yes, you can use these exciting new templates for your own journals as well. Are you creating and selling journals or low or no content books on Amazon, Etsy, or elsewhere, but struggle with getting the design ideas in place? If you aren't already selling journals and low content books, you might be aware of the hot demand these have right now, but you just don't know where to begin for designing them. Perhaps you don't have the knowledge, desire, or time. Let's face it, designing the layouts takes time, even more so than what you want to put for headings or prompts. Today is your lucky day, because I've made it absolutely easy for you. You can now get access to 5 brand new royalty-free templates for journals and planners, so you can create as many as you want and sell them on Etsy, Amazon, or wherever. These templates were created to help you simply and easily create your journals without the fight of figuring out a design. Spur ideas with the layout styles, hint, easily create bullet journals, daily logs, etc. Cut your design time to a minimum so you can publish your books at an almost breakneck speed. Each template comes in PowerPoint format, so you can easily edit and publish it. And if you do not have PowerPoint, you can edit them with OpenOffice or LibreOffice. Both are free programs, so they cost you nothing if you don't have Microsoft Office. Note: we don't provide support for those simply because we do not use them, but as I understand it, they are just as easy and powerful. But what do the templates look like? Here are the 5 styles you can access immediately. Note they are not obviously super clear because they are screenshots, however they are very professional and give you lots of ways you can use them as they are easily modified. The templates included are the wedding budget checklist, guest lists, 12, wedding registry checklist, and a vendor list. Each template is set to the standard 8.5x11 paper, however it can be easily adjusted to whatever size you prefer. And yes, even without adjustments it will fit fine on a regular piece of paper. There are so many ideas that you could create here, and it can go beyond just regular wedding journals and planners. So how do you get your hands on these? It's easy. Simply submit your payment below for instant access. Just a few remarks and reminders. You are granted personal use rights. That means you can create endless journals, books for yourself. I do this all the time. Create the journals, books and sell them on CreateSpace, Amazon, Etsy, or any other marketplace you wish. There are no limits to how many you can create and sell. Yes, you can give the completed journals, books away as you please, that is, gifts, bonuses, etc. Yes, you can sell the completed journal, book that you have designed even as a digital PDF, but not the PowerPoint or publisher file. Of course, there are some restrictions. Warning: we actively fight DMCA abuse. You must not give away these templates anywhere outside of your business. That means you must not post them on black hat sites or any file sharing sites. You must not give the templates away as bonuses or freebies. You must not sell these base templates in any way. You must not create Fiverr gigs or any similar service to create and sell these for others. Just think of how many interesting wedding journals and planners you could create with these templates, and how quickly. If you have the ideas in mind, it's literally just a matter of entering the text, saving the file and publishing wherever you want. Now obviously I cannot promise how much you'll make from these. This is entirely up to you to implement and create your own products, and put them up for sale. But with these templates, I've made it very simple for you to create and publish, without the hassle of design. Urgent warning. Most of my members know that I have been slowly moving our journal and planner templates into our membership system. I have promised them that very shortly, I will no longer sell these or any templates outside of our system. For that reason, this is a warning that this will likely be the very last time you can get these without being a monthly member of our system. From that point forward, any journals and planner templates I create will be exclusively available and there only. So get yours while I'm still allowing it. So are you in? Great. I've kept it extremely affordable, but be aware that the price will rise, and it is set to do so every few sales, so get it at the lowest price you see. Are there any upsells or downsells? Yes, there are 2 additional offers, no downsells. They are additional templates, and developer rights. They are inexpensive and complimentary but absolutely not required. So are you in? Great. I've kept it extremely affordable. But be aware that the price will eventually rise every 48 hours until it reaches $17 before I close it permanently. So get it now for the lowest price you see.